Welcome all of you to your new science class, and I can see all my students are ready, so very nice. So students, all of you, please take your copies, pencil. Yes, so before holidays we were completing our classwork part, right? So today also we are going to complete our classwork part. So today I am going to give you 3 question answers. So all of you, please take your copy and write down the question answers. So here comes your first question. Rudraditya, are you feeling cozy? Please take out your copy. Very good. Yes. Yes, come on. Start writing. Your first question is, what keeps us safe from heat, cold and rain? What keeps us safe from heat, cold and rain? Yes, I got some answers from the students. So let us see. And the correct answer is, what keeps us safe from heat, cold and rain? So our answer will be house and clothes. Keep us safe from heat, cold and rain. House as well as clothes. House and clothes both keep us safe from heat, cold and rain. House gives us protection from heat of the sun, cold during the winter season and rainy season. It protects us from rain. In the same way, clothes also give us protection from heat. In summer, we wear cotton clothes. In winter, we wear woolen clothes to keep ourselves warm. And in rainy season or monsoon season, we wear waterproof clothes. So, it also gives us protection. So, both house and clothes gives us protection. Keep us safe from heat, cold and rain. So your actual answer is house and clothes. And the rest of the answer lies in the question. Keeps us safe from heat, cold and rain. So your exact answer is house and clothes. Rest of the part exists in question. Okay? Very nice. Come on. It becomes easier for you to learn if it is been broken in two parts, that this part exists in question only. You have to focus on the spelling as well as the answer of this part, that is house and clothes. Come on, all of you, write down. Yes, I can see Grunthona writing. I can see Simran writing. Very nice. Rudraditya is writing. Ashmita, very good. Shama Prabhu, very good. Shrestha, Hanifa, very nice. Come on. Most of the students are also writing. I know that. All the students are writing. Very good. Come on. Moyuk, please do one thing. You just disconnect the call and join us again. You just disconnect the call and join us again. Because everything is going well over here. I think there is some internet problem from your side. Moyuk, now you can see. Now you can see the board. Okay, Ashmita has completed. Very nice. Ashmita has completed. Yes, very good, Simran. Very nice. Those who are completing, please write in the chat box. Done. Okay, Srijan has completed. Okay, Priyam has completed. Very good. Okay, anyone more? Okay, students. Okay, Rudra Aditya, I hope you have completed. So I am rubbing question number 1. I am rubbing question number 1. Everyone has completed question number 1. I hope so. You have written the question. You have completed the question. Yes. So I am just rubbing the question. Till that time you complete the answer. Now we will go for question number 2. How many types of houses are there? How many types of houses are there? Who is going to answer me? How many types of houses are there? Yes, Ashmita is typing. 4 other are also typing. So let's see. Okay. 3 types of houses are there. Okay. And which are they? If you are having 3 types of houses, then which are they? Because Shrestha told me 3 types of houses. And Rudraditya told me 3 types of houses. So Srijan told me, no, Rudraditya, Shrestha. 2 has conveyed me that there are 3 types of houses. Can you tell me which are there, beta? In your book, I have taught you, according to your syllabus, there are 2 types of houses. So, which is the third one? Which is the third one? Third type. Who will tell me? Okay, beta. Don't be sorry. Okay? Because you have tried your level best. So, don't be sorry. Yes, it is 2 types. Okay? 2 types. So, one is Kacha house and another is Pakka house. There are 2 types of houses. One is Kacha house, another is Pakka house. So, let us write down the answer. Here we have been asked how many types of houses are there. So, we are going to write only the types of houses, number of types of houses. That means there are 2 types of houses. Okay? It's okay, Srijan. Don't worry. It's okay. You have tried. That's the most important thing. So, it has to be 2 types. Come on. So, let us write down. There are 2. Now see the answer. There are 2. Now the rest part is in question. Types of houses are there. So there are 2 types of houses. Now if you are being asked which are they, then you will mention Kacha house, Pakka house. Okay. So here I am mentioning it because already how many types of houses are there? There are 2 types of houses. If I ask the question, which are they? Then we will write 1 Kacha house. Now here the Kacha spelling differs in different book. Especially in your book, Kutcha. Okay. In some other books, maybe the spelling differs, but as it is proper noun, noun doesn't matter. Okay. And other is Pakka house. So, there are 2 types of houses, Kacha house, Pakka house. Kacha house, Pakka house. Okay? Yes, Shyama Prabhu, your Kacha spelling is also right, and the book, in book I have written the Kacha spelling which has been mentioned in the book, that is also correct. So no problem regarding the spelling of Kacha. Okay. So Kacha house and Pakka house. Come on everyone, write down. Done? Very good, Simran. Very good. Very nice. Very good. Okay, Priyam has also completed. He has given me the message. He has completed. Okay. Srijan has completed. Okay, yes, Srijan has also done. Ashmita has also completed her work. So now let's go for the third question. Okay. Yes, Rudra Aditya has completed. So rest of the students, I hope you have completed the question. You have written the question. If you are unable to complete also, you just go through the YouTube video over there. It will be uploaded and you can complete it. Okay, don't keep it incomplete. Okay, Rudra Aditya has also completed. Okay, so I'm just rubbing the question and we are going to question number 3. This is a very small question. And question number 3 is, we know different animals live in different types of houses and those houses are having some particular name, right? So here the question comes, where do we live? So where do human beings live? Where do we live? Yes, very good, Ashmita. Very nice. Yes, Suhana has recently joined us. Very good, Suhana. Come on. Write down. We live in houses. Very good. So, where do we live? Here comes the answer. So, question number 2, I hope everyone has completed this answer 2. Yes. So, everyone has gone to question number 3. So, here comes question number 3. And we live in a house. At a time we live in one house, right? So we will write a very simple sentence. We live in a house. Where do we live? We live in a house. So these were the 3 questions, students, 3 questions. I'm going to conclude my class over here. Those who have still not completed, don't worry. This class will be uploaded on YouTube and you can complete from there also. So with this, take care of yourself. Be fit. Bye-bye.